Did you know that Basel, a city in the heart of Switzerland, is the country's third largest city and a hub of art and culture? Nestled between the Jura, the rolling hills of the Vosges and the Black Forest, Basel is a city that wears its heart on its sleeve. Its unique geographical position places it at the crossroads of three countries: Switzerland, Germany, and France. This trinational Euro-district is a melting pot of cultures, and that is reflected in the city's vibrant character. Basel's rich history stretches back over 2,000 years, and the city bears the marks of each era with grace and pride. From the Roman era to the Renaissance, each period has left its indelible mark on Basel, shaping it into the cultural gem it is today. Now that you've been introduced to Basel, let's delve deeper into its rich history. Basel's history is as vibrant as its present, with roots that date back to the Roman era. This city, nestled in the heart of Europe, has seen epochs come and go, each leaving an indelible imprint on its rich tapestry. Let's travel back in time to the Roman era, when Basel was a bustling settlement known as Basilia. Here, the Romans built a bridge across the Rhine, cementing Basel's reputation as a key strategic location. The remnants of this ancient civilization still echo through the city's streets. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, a period that witnessed Basel's growth into a flourishing trade hub. The city's advantageous position along the Rhine allowed for a bustling trade in goods, ideas, and cultures. It was during this time that Basel became a free city, gaining independence and the freedom to chart its own course. We then arrive at the Renaissance period, an era of enlightenment and discovery. Basel was a beacon of knowledge, home to the first university in Switzerland. This was a time of great intellectual and artistic growth, as Basel became a magnet for thinkers, writers, and artists, including the renowned philosopher Erasmus. As we move into the 20th century, Basel's story continues to unfold. The city survived 2 world wars and underwent significant social and economic transformations. It established itself as a global center for pharmaceuticals and banking, all the while maintaining its cultural heritage and charm. But the history of Basel isn't just about grand events and significant epochs. It's also about the everyday life of its people, their traditions and customs, their resilience and creativity. It's about the subtle interplay of the past and present, the old and the new. It's a tale of a city that has managed to preserve its historical essence while embracing the challenges and opportunities of the future. From a Roman settlement to a bustling city, Basel's history is truly fascinating. But let's move forward to the present day. Basel's past paints a vivid picture, but its present is equally compelling, if not more. As we step into the present day, we find a city that has seamlessly blended its historic charm with a contemporary cultural spirit, weaving an enchanting tapestry of art, education, and innovation. Art lovers will find themselves spoilt for choice in Basel. The city is home to over 40 museums, each offering a unique glimpse into various facets of art, history, and culture. Among them, you'll find the Kunstmuseum, the world's oldest public art collection, and the Fondation Biela, a modern art museum nestled in a beautiful park. These institutions are much more than repositories of art. They are vibrant cultural hubs, hosting exhibitions, lectures, and workshops that engage the community and provoke thought. Artistic expression in Basel isn't confined to museum walls. It spills onto the streets in the form of murals, sculptures, and installations, transforming the city into an open-air gallery. Every summer, the city is set ablaze with creativity during the Art Basel Fair, attracting artists, collectors, and enthusiasts from around the globe. Yet Basel's cultural scene isn't just about art. It's a city of learning and innovation, hosting some of the world's leading education and research institutions. The University of Basel, with its rich history dating back over 500 years, is at the forefront of cutting-edge research in fields ranging from medicine to nanotechnology. Alongside these institutions, innovative startups and tech companies have found a home in Basel, driving the city's reputation as a hub of innovation. In Basel, the old and the new coexist harmoniously. Centuries-old traditions find a place alongside modern festivals and events, creating a cultural melting pot that's uniquely Basel. The city's commitment to preserving its history while fostering creativity and innovation is a testament to its dynamic spirit. Basel today stands as a testament to its ability to preserve its rich history while embracing the future. As we look towards the future, Basel continues to evolve and grow, ever steeped in its rich history and culture. The city's magnetic pull for art enthusiasts is only set to become stronger. With a growing number of exhibitions and art events, Basel is cementing its place as a global hub for art and creativity. But the city's future is not just about art. Basel is also becoming a beacon for education and research. With its world-class universities and research institutions, the city is attracting minds from all corners of the globe, eager to contribute to the future of science, technology, and humanities. Moreover, Basel is showing a strong commitment to sustainability. With initiatives to reduce carbon emissions, promote renewable energy, and maintain its lush parks and green spaces, the city is on a path to becoming a green city, a model for urban sustainability. With its rich past and promising future, Basel truly is a gem of Switzerland. So, there you have it, a journey through time, exploring the rich history, vibrant present, and promising future of Basel. We've peeled back the layers of time to reveal a city that has stood strong through the ages, from its humble beginnings to its rise as a bustling metropolis. We've walked through the cobblestone streets, seen the blend of old and new, and felt the pulse of a city alive with culture and diversity. In the present day, Basel bursts with the energy of a cultural melting pot, offering a rich tapestry of arts, music, and gastronomy. As we look to the future, Basel continues to evolve and reinvent itself, promising an exciting blend of tradition and innovation. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply a curious traveler, Basel offers something for everyone. So why not make it your next destination?